So let me explain something about repackaging and resigning. So it's needed after making some changes to the Android manifest or bytecode. So in order to be able to modify any file that's packaged in the app, we first need to unpack the APK. So this time, let's use the APK tool to unpack the APK file. So first, change directory to desktop. You can simply call the APK tool with just the D argument. So it decoded the files in a folder. And let's have a look at the files. So we'll check the Android manifest file. Okay, so it's decoded. We'll open the Smalley folder. And here is where the decompiled source codes live. And Smalley is basically an assembler and disassembler for the DEX format used by Dalvik, or Android runtime for that matter. Smalley files are created by decompiling the DEX files, which are the executables. And as you remember, we decompile these files in the bytecode viewer, and then we analyze the source code. But I know that was all the way back in the previous lecture. So let's go back to the Insecure Bank folder. So after making a change to a file, we then need to repack the APK. So for this, we can again use the APK tool, this time specifying the build or B argument. Okay, so now we'll run a zip align tool. So zip align is an archive alignment tool that provides important optimization to Android application files or APK files. 4 numbers define the byte alignment boundaries. This must always be 4, which provides 32-bit alignment, or else it basically does nothing. So then we'll add the existing APK file. We can give a full path and a name for the new APK file. Okay, so now the APK is built. Now the last step is to sign the APK. But before re-signing, you must first get a code signing certificate. Now, the standard Java distribution includes KeyTool for managing key stores and certificates, but you can create your own signing certificate and key, then add it to a new key store that you created. So run keytool-v-genkey-key store, and here I'll give a name for a new key store, add alias, define RSA as a key algorithm, define the key size, and finally add a validity option. And it's just an expiration date, so you can give a really big number if you want. So now create a password for the key store, and now we can skip these questions. All right, so it's created a key store in the current directory. So now we're ready to sign the APK with this key. You can use APK Signer or Jar Signer tools to sign the APK, your choice. Add -verbose parameter, the key store you created, and the location of the new APK file and sign key. Enter the password of the key store. And just like that, the APK is signed and ready to use.